Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, My Dear Forensic Lady, chapter 108. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Linian and Song Yu-hang. Linian said, Why? Why did you let Tuang Cheng into your room so late at night? Well, he just came to me just to get these documents. Well, she was trying to explain to her. Someone is really getting jealous. Look, what time is it? Well, it might be a little late, but it seems that Linian, she is getting jealous by the presence of Tuan Cheng. Now, it makes sense. Song Yuhang said, Oh, she's been surprised. Linian, suddenly, she became worried about her and said, Are you? Well, she's going to tease her and said, Jealous. Well, looking at Linian, her face, it seems that she's getting angry, but of course, Song Yuhang is trying to tease her so much. Now, it makes sense. Linian, it seems that she's really getting teased. Now, she grabbed the pillow and she was throwing it to Song Yuhang. Well, definitely, someone is really getting jealous. Song Yuhang said, Okay, but before you go, let me show you something. Oh, what do you think? What is it? It seems that Linian, she's not in a good mood. Now, it makes sense. She looks really surprised, looking at her face. Well, probably she was thinking, what's inside the box? Well, what do you think? What is it? It seems that there's something inside that important to Linian. Now, Song Yuhang said, open it and take a look. Well, this is really interesting. It seems that Song Yuhang, when Linian's open it, this is, well, the stick that has been damaged and now it seems that it was a brand new or got repaired. Oh, Song Yuhang, she's really sweet. How about it? It was not bad, although it's imported. Fortunately, I have an old classmate who also engaged in military industry, so I took it home and pondered it with several months. And didn't you say it is called Sentinel? I've also carved your name of it. Oh, it turns out Song Yuhang, she is really a sweet girl. At this moment, she realized that she was putting something for Linian, especially carving her name. Well, Linian, look at her. Suddenly, she got was. Well, maybe she got really overwhelmed by the gestures and also the thoughts of Song Yuhang for hers. Now, Song Yuhang, what's wrong? Don't you like it? I saw you carry it everywhere. Well, even when you fought. So, I thought, well, Linian suddenly said, Why? It should be very important to you. It's lost. What a pity. Song Yuhang, she's trying to coax her, but Linian, she's smiling. Although she becomes speechless, we can see she is really happy that Song Yuhang took an effort to fix this and also for trying to coax her. Now, it makes sense. Linian, she grabbed the stick. Song Yuhang, your nickname is correct. Well, she was right about that. But at this moment, look at her. Actually, I carry it with me just because it's came in handy. It doesn't have any other meaning. It's just an ordinary mechanical stick. Oh, Linian, she's trying to divert her attention, so surely can notice that she's really happy about this. Nothing is important as you. Oh, it makes sense. Linian, she becomes sweet, right? At this moment, Song Yuhang, She seems to be surprised. Linian suddenly said, however, now it has. Oh, still, she is pouting. Probably, she still gets jealous about Duancheng. Now, it makes sense. Song Yuhang, she was trying to tease her and said, you're so. She was patting her head, but looking at Linian, she seems to be comfortable while she was with Song Yuhang, and Song Yuhang suddenly she was putting her hands in the air while Linian, she took off her stick and trying to tease her. At this moment, she's been held up, but Linian suddenly said that she don't need to touch her. Well, we can notice that Song Yuhang surely wanted to tease Linian. That's why she was patting her head. But still, I'm going to take a shower and go to bed now. You better behave yourself tonight. Well, Song Yuhang, she's been forced. Linian, it turns out, she had a lot of tricks on her sleeve. Song Yuhang suddenly grabbed a stick and said, Miss Lin, I helped you to refer your beloved things and save your life so many times. Oh, it turns out she know how to oppress her, but it seems that it's not good to repay her kindness with enmity. Oh, she was right about that. Now we can see that the two of them really have something in their mind, especially for Linian. She keeps staring on Song Yuhang at this moment. So, what? What do you want to do? Song Yuhang, she's been asked by Linian, and she's been quiet, but suddenly, Song Yuhang, she grabbed her stick. She'll take it off. Well, this is really getting tricky, right? What do you think? What is she going to do with Linian? Since Linian, she got really surprised and said, probably she was whispering with her. Song Yuhang, she moved closer with Linian. At this moment, they really been closer to each other. Well, we can really see there's the part of Song Yuhang who's getting mischievous and now said, should there be some reward? Oh, it turns out she really wanted something from her. Well, what do you think? What is it, guys? Well, this is really getting interesting, right? Let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.